I started it, dog.
Let's do it. Alright. Alright. Okay. So I know the beat probably fucked up. Damn, no, it didn't. Here I go, the full fiddle with Pedro, SEO, dirty smoke. Dude, I hate the red gang. You know what to touch the button. Maybe you wanna fuck with me, nigga, get the fucking torch. Hide, that's funny. Do you remember fucking torch? Smoking off the lamp all night long, ripping off the fucking bong. Wish we could make some songs, nigga. Here we go. Go. Hang on, wait. Had to catch the flow, man, cause I fucked up. I'll admit it, but I ain't quit it, so you need to shut up. As a matter of fact, nigga, I should've caught the beat. Should've had it at my feet, cause I'm from the Beacon Streets. Hey, dude, go ahead and do what you wanna do. I'm running with my nigga Pedro and P-Dubs. Yeah, that's cool, that's the crew, that's how we fucking do. It's the Wong crew, man, I'ma tell you what you wanna do. Don't yell, dude, once you get that fucking ass killed. That's a real deal, your face spin still. Let me do it how I do it with the drug I'm doing. So you just need to know I ain't water, but let's do it. Ain't no homo on that motherfucking fact. And if you wanna talk this smack, you can get that fucking ass back. Ha, that was funny. Ha, that was funny. I got a bitch, like I said, sounds like Snow Bunny. Whether you like it or not, that's the fucking truth. Jumping in the sound, nigga, like I'm in the booth. Soulja Boy has got some killer beats up on the fucking place. And if you wanna fuck with us, we'll let you get a fucking taste. Ha! Ha! Ha!
Got it.